Hey Tullies, welcome back to our channel, your favorite family on YouTube. Today I will be showing you guys how to sublimate custom fabric. I do this in a lot of my videos, but you guys may just be looking for that. You may not be someone who sew, but maybe you are someone who sublimate, and you actually can get away with selling just sublimated fabric, custom fabric. I created this design on Etsy, from Etsy. I purchased a file and I just went ahead and laid out the words the way that I like it best. And I've been creating a lot of things from this and selling it. So that's pretty dope. And I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and do that as well. So what you want to do is have a piece of fabric big enough for your image. So here I'm going to go ahead and actually cover my heat press first with some butcher paper. It's about 4 a.m. so I'm trying not to tear the paper too much. This is just as loud. It is just as loud. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and lay that down. We're going to grab our fabric and lay it out. I'm going to make sure that it is nice and free of debris and like little pieces of this, because this has spray away. Because it's a woolen fabric, I'm going to go ahead and just press it really quick to get some of those wrinkles out. If you guys are uncomfortable seeing the wrinkles. Alright, so we got that all layered out. I'm going to go ahead and add my piece of my paper. This is sublimation paper. We purchased koala paper from Amazon. You guys can pick whatever paper you're comfortable with, but we will provide the links for what we use in this video. And I just ran out of this tape. I do believe I have another roll, but this tape just helps you to, and I use the life out of these things, guys. Like I'm a sublimating queen. See that? Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just tape this down so we have less chances of shifting and shadows. Alright. Put my tape out. I believe I have like 2 more rolls. I have to look for it. But I'm going to go ahead and tape this down. And I'm going to cover my parchment paper again. I'm going to cover it. Y'all, I'm telling you this because it's the time. It's like 4 o'clock. It's like the world is trying to wake up my family. Okay. Listen, now. Come on, honey. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this under here. Now, I like to go at 400. I sublimate everything at 400. There's something called, I believe, put it in the comments below if you know what it is. I think it's called substrates or something like that, where it's like hard things like puzzles and dog tags, different things like that. That's what people do at 400, 420 degrees. This is fabric. Fabric and shirts, people average from about 45 to maybe 75 seconds. I like to do 90 at 400 to make sure that it's sublimated well and that it is vibrant. Sometimes if you sublimate too long, depending on your material, it can come out darker. So I think I'm going to go ahead and let it go for, we can do 75 seconds today, and I'll be back. Now, if you guys are a little afraid, you actually could go ahead and peek just a little. to see if it's sublimated. If you feel like it don't look great, go ahead and put it right back down and throw it back under there, because it shouldn't have moved because you have your tape in place. I've had to do that while I was learning. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and peel off my sublimation paper. You guys, and this is what it looks like. And honestly, guys, if you are a hustler, people sell fat quarters, and you can sell this as a cut on Pinterest, God almighty, Etsy. You can go ahead and sell pieces like this, because crafters like me who don't do sublimation could make bows and wristlets. I can make about 3 wristlets from this, maybe even more wristlets, scrunchies, different things like that. So if you guys are good at designing and you want to get out there and start selling some fabric, you guys, go ahead and do that. You know, like Tabitha says, because that's your business. You know, I gotta find some cute little stuff like that, because I just love it. I love listening to her talk. Okay, so you guys, that is that. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. If I'm not mistaken, this is called tropical polyester. You guys can find it at different craft stores. I'm not sure about Joann's. I'll check again. But as long as it's 100% polyester fabric, and you have your heat press, I'm sure I saw somebody use an iron before on YouTube. You guys can check out that video if you're really beginners, but I'm not sure how easy it will be to do something as big as this. I also have a smaller heat press down here that I purchased from Amazon that I'll link for you guys as well. And just make sure you have your sublimation paper and you guys are good to go. Like this video, please, because it helps with the algorithm on YouTube. You guys, we are really trying to move up here, really trying to get our YouTube going again. So please don't forget to do that, and share this video. If you're in a sublimation group and they allow links, go ahead and put everybody up on game on what you can do and how easy it is. Okay, all right, you guys, so until next time here on TullyVision, we love you and we'll see you soon.